Hello guys, hope you are doing great. So I came across a tool that I thought was interesting. The name of the tool is simplql and it is basically used to query CSV, XLS and JSON data files with SQL. So it's basically an in-browser tool that lets you query the data files with your favorite query language, that is SQL. And as a developer, I think SQL is a must. So this tool can be used to query data files like CSV, JSON, and Excel. So if you have worked with these types of files, you can understand that how irritating it is to go through these types of files, and without specific query language, it's really difficult to go through and make sense of the data. So basically this is a tool that is an in-browser tool, and you can upload your files in here, and then you can add your data files here, and then you can query the data from this screen. So basically at the moment the Spotify sample is given, and we can check out that either it works or not. So I will limit the data, the query, to 10 rows. So let's get started. So basically I have, as you can see, that it's working fine, and yes, it's working fine. So I think that it was interesting, and so I'm making this video so that the other who usually work with data files can have the opportunity to work with this tool. So thanks guys, see you soon.